Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download and install Node.js on your Windows computer. So Node.js is an open source cross-platform runtime environment that allows you to run JavaScript code on the server side. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser and search for node.js. Go ahead to nodejs.org. This is the direct publisher of the software. Select the download node.js file here, and then go ahead and run that. There's additional options if you want to run older versions too, as well as different package managers, but just going directly on their main homepage here is pretty simple. So it says the setup wizard will install node.js on your computer. Select next. You want to accept the terms. Select next again. You can change the destination folder if you so choose. Go ahead and select next here. You can automatically install necessary tools depending on what type of npm module you're going to need. So you may want to check mark that. Otherwise, you can leave it blank and select next and install. Select yes if you receive a user account control prompt, and it should be from a verified publisher, the OpenJS Foundation. Select yes. And once that's done, select finish, and you should be able to open it up. I don't believe you have to restart or anything like that. And there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.